Ditch the digging, grab the gear, organize your lures and tackle with ease. Say goodbye to rummaging and hello to rapid retrieval. This tackle storage box is tailor-made for your fishing lure and storage needs, featuring customizable dividers and compartments, allowing you to create the perfect layout for terminal tackle, crankbaits, and everything in between. Durable and practical design, built to withstand the most adventurous fishing trips with no hassle. Lightweight and portable, easily toss it in your backpack or carry it on its own, ready for any fishing adventure. Space optimizing solution ensures efficient space utilization without compromising on accessibility to your fishing essentials. Clear visibility, clear dividers, and a secure latch system offers easy visibility of your tackle. Ideal for all types of fishing like bass fishing, ice fishing, or as a travel tackle box. Don't wait any longer. Order your Baitium fishing tackle boxes today and reclaim your fishing fun.